Hail, wind, rain, you name it. We had it in Lebanon, Indiana yesterday. By the way, we're going to see more of that in the lower Great Lakes today as that front does push just south of the Great Lakes, and scattered thunder showers will be happening, but a lot less severe than what we saw yesterday. How about wildfires? We haven't talked a lot about that out in the west. Well, LA is battling one here. It's hard to see, but that is some smoke there. You can see by that copter. Doing a good job. But, you know, it's been so dry, and of course we said goodbye to the 6-year drought pretty well in California, which is good news, but that doesn't mean we still couldn't use some rain. And we're not going to get it. Where we could use some rain is in the desert Southwest. We've got red flag warnings in place right now for southern Arizona, New Mexico. We've got high wind warnings down there, so wind gusts in excess of about 50, 60 miles per hour. Not good for fires. Relative humidity is below that 20% threshold. So a lot going on down there. And then how about up here? Winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. So what, winter? Aren't we supposed to be thinking about summer soon? Yes, we are, but a strong developing low pressure system in the Rockies is going to bring in some snow for you in Denver and through the Colorado Rockies, just like we're seeing east of Duluth this morning, by the way. Yeah, the upper Midwest and the UP of Michigan seeing some snow, but it's all about the active weather. That's what I want to dig into. So while it will be snowing Friday into Saturday in Denver, east of that, we're going to see a strong Texas low develop. Today, a marginal threat for these two areas. This is warning you for basically the next system. Okay, so we're going to see some energy there today, but tomorrow's risk will be further east and it'll be stronger. Today, expect some winds. Marginal threat, so Pittsburgh all the way down to Atlanta, basically along the I-75 corridor, and then a bit of wind activity through Oklahoma and Kansas. 2% tornado risk, so it could happen. Don't let your guard down, but you know, there's the risk, so it's a marginal threat, obviously pretty low on the scale. But that changes for tomorrow. Already looking at an enhanced threat for Friday from OKC all the way up and through the Mid-South into Tennessee and Ohio River Valley. We're probably going to see this upgraded again. Don't hold me to that, but I wouldn't be shocked because tomorrow is going to be a day that you need to be making sure you have a safety plan, an escape route, that kind of thing, a safe place to go to. These storms will mostly be nocturnal. So you got a lot of energy. We call this CAPE up to about 3, maybe even 3,500 joules per kilogram of CAPE. What that means is strong updrafts, supercellular storms. We've got shear in the atmosphere. All the nasty ingredients to get some strong storms Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday, all in pretty well the same area, the Arklatex. A lot of rainfall. I'll show you that in just a second. This is Saturday's risk, so you can see right centered in the Arklatex. And flooding rains is very likely. Sunday, that risk moves a little bit further eastward. Those flooding rains, I can tell you that because the SPC is already calling for upwards to 8 inches of rain through the Arklatex. You get a downpour and a thunderstorm. I know we're going to be talking about the flooding over the weekend, so stay safe. By the way, behind that system, check out the temperatures. So Saturday morning, if you're in Denver and you're waking up to snow, you're going to be cold too, only feeling like about 36.